Most traders lose money because they choose the wrong broker. A broker like HFM may look promising, but is it really safe? Are their fees secretly high? And can their platforms help you trade successfully? In the next few minutes, we'll uncover everything you need to know before you deposit a single dime with HFM. To answer the questions you may be asking, let's start with a quick overview of HFM, who they are, where they operate, and the regulations that keep your funds protected. HF Markets, or HFM as it is popularly known, was established in 2010. Over the years, it has expanded globally and it has different offices in various parts of the world. Its business model is based on offering online trading in Forex and CFDs with multiple account types and several trading platforms to cater for beginners, professionals, and even copy traders. But understanding this little about HFM is only half the story. One important question that needs to be answered is, who regulates HFM and how does that regulation affect you as the trader? HFM holds regulatory licenses under several top-tier authorities. They are regulated by the UK's FCA, Dubai's DFSA, Cyprus's CISEC, South Africa's FSCA, Seychelles' FSA, and Kenya's CMA. This implies that they adhere to compliance rules like capital adequacy requirements, regular audit, segregation of client funds, client compensation in case of bankruptcy, negative balance protection, and legal recourse in regulated jurisdictions. But all of these depend on the jurisdiction. Now, if HFM is operating in a region without local regulation, it means they are operating as an offshore broker. If you're in such a region, make sure you understand how the regulatory authority under which they operate in that region affects you and your trading journey. Because your protections such as compensation scheme are either non-existent or are very limited. Also take note of HFM's cloned or fake websites, especially in places like South Africa, as the FSCA in South Africa warned against such sometime in 2024. This means traders must be extremely careful to ensure that they are using the official HFM domain before signing up. Now that we know how HFM is structured and regulated, the next step is to know what traders like you can actually trade on their platforms. To trade with HFM, you will be trading with over 500 markets like Forex, metals, energies, stocks, indices, bonds, commodities, and ETFs. Of course, tradable assets means nothing without the tools to access them. So let's look at the platform HFM provides for executing trades. You can choose between the platforms they have provided, which includes the HFM app alongside MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. With the HFM platform, you can trade through MT4 and MT5, but the MT4 platform comes with 9 time frames, 30 technical indicators, 31 analytical objects, 4 pending order types, and expert advisors on the desktop terminal. While the MT5 platform comes with 21 time frames, 38 technical indicators, 44 analytical objects, built-in economic calendar, 6 pending order types, and expert advisors on desktop. You can trade all instruments on all platforms, but ETFs and DMA, which is direct market access, are not available on MT4. HFM has also made available VPS hosting that is compatible with all expert advisors. You can use it free if you meet certain deposit and trading requirements. If not, you can pay a subscription fee of either $25, $50 or $80 to use it. Then if you're a trader who likes using auto chartist, you can use it on MT5. HFM also offers advanced analysis on MT4 and MT5, which applies big data AI to lots of news articles to give you sentiment and volatility analysis. They have also provided some downloadable premium trader tools like Trade Terminal, Mini Terminal, Connect, Sentiment Trader, and the rest of them for mostly scalpers and data-driven traders. Then if you're interested in engaging in copy trading, with HFM, you can do that either as a follower where you copy the trades of experts, or as a strategy provider where followers will copy your trade and you will receive performance fees of up to 50% from them. But copy trading only works on MetaTrader 4. Since you now understand the platforms, The next thing that matters is how you actually trade on them, which is the account types and the fees attached to each option. The account types available on HFM are up to 5. But note that the account types and their features differs according to jurisdiction. In some region, they may have 1, 2, or 3 account types with slightly different features, while some are up to 5. Also, their account currency differs. For the sake of this review, we will pick one of their entities that have up to 5 accounts. The account types include the cent account, where you can only trade Forex and gold with the US cent. It comes with spreads from 1.4 pips and 0 minimum deposits. Then the zero account offers spreads from 0 pips on some instruments and minimum deposits of $25, while the Pro account offers spread from 0.6 pips and minimum deposit of $50. The Pro Plus account offers spreads from 0.2 pips and minimum deposit of $100. And then the Premium account offers spreads from 1.4 pips with a minimum deposit of $0. All accounts offer leverage of up to 1:2,000, margin call of 50%, stop-out level of 20%, and swap-free account on some instruments. Only the zero account charge commission for Forex. But for copy trading, you will need to open a different copy trading account, which could either be a cent, premium, or the Pro copy trading account, which comes with their own features. Once again, the account types and features on both the regular account and the copy trading account differs according to region. Just in case you are unable to carry out any financial activity on your account in 6 months and beyond, you will be charged monthly inactivity or dormant fees that range from $5 to over $20 depending on how long your account has been inactive. Your account can also be terminated upon notice. Choosing an account and knowing the fees you will be charged is very important. But to help you in your trading journey, especially as a beginner, brokers usually provide a number of educational resources. Let's see what educational support HFM provides. HFM is one broker that invests so much in education, from online trading courses, educational videos, webinars, events in various countries, to podcasts, plus their exclusive analysis and news, all to help equip you whether you're a beginner or a professional trader. When issues arise while trading with a broker like HFM, traders like you need real-time help. So let's see how HFM can render help to you in such a situation through their customer support. HFM can be contacted via their live chats on the website or on their platform, as well as on WhatsApp. And you can also send them mail or give them a call from 15 countries. A good thing about their customer support is that they offer localized support and their response is also fast. We now know HFM's history, regulation, account types, tradable instruments, platforms, educational resources, and even customer support. Now, let me walk you through HFM's account opening process from start to finish. To open an HFM account, go to the HFM's website. On the home page, click on Register at the top right. It will take you to the registration page where you will have to fill in your email or phone number and also set your password, as well as select your country of residence. Now, the link to this page is in the description. Then you will need to verify your email with the code sent to your email, after which you will provide your personal details and click on Continue. You can now log into your personal area where you can make deposits, withdrawals, and carry out other activities. Then you can see your available accounts, whether live or demo accounts. You can also see and open your copy trading account here. Since this is a new profile, we will need to open an account. So let's open an account, which could either be a live account or a demo account. But for the sake of this video, we will open a demo account. You will need to choose the account type you wish to open. You can see the account details right here. Then you will select your desired platform, your account currency, leverage, and even create a password for your account and continue. Note that since we are opening an account with MetaTrader 5 platform, that password will be needed to log into the MT5 platform. As you can see, we have successfully logged into the web terminal that has a number of drawing tools, chart types, time frames, indicators, economic calendar, and other features. Opening an account is one thing, but how you can fund that account and most importantly, withdraw your money when you need it is another important thing. With HFM, you can fund and withdraw your funds via bank transfer, credit and debit cards, and e-wallets. Of course, this differs according to jurisdictions. Now, with all the major parts covered, it's time to pull everything together and look at the pros and cons of HFM, beginning with HFM Pros. HFM is regulated by reputable authorities, and this provides a strong layer of safety for traders. Also, they offer trading tools like VPS hosting for free, auto chartist, and advanced AI-driven analysis, making HFM appropriate for beginners, algorithmic traders, and professional analysts. Their 5 account types provides a broad range of options depending on trading style and experience. They support copy trading, which can be good for beginners who want passive exposure and for experts who want to monetize their strategies. They have made heavy investment in education, and this is particularly beneficial for beginners who need structured learning. Also, their responsive and localized customer support is very valuable to some traders, especially new traders who may frequently need help. Now, let's look at HFM cons. Their maximum leverage of up to 1:2,000 can be appealing, but it can wipe out accounts quickly and it can increase risk, especially for beginners, and it can be misleading to both experienced traders, leading them to over-risking. Now, this is why very high leverage is banned by top-tier regulators like FCA, SISEC, and others. As for their copy trading functionality, if you prefer trading with MT5, you will not be able to engage in copy trading. Then, if you're a trader who trades multiple assets, you will need to check if they offer the assets you want to trade, as they have limited assets. Before opening any account with any broker whatsoever, whether HFM or not, there's one thing you need to understand: that your broker is only one part of the equation. The real difference between successful traders and traders who fail early in this industry boils down to your preparation, your decision making, and your risk management strategy. The Forex market is not a place where you need to move fast. It's a place where you have to move correctly. So take your time to do proper due diligence, compare costs, study how each account type affects your trading strategy, and understand the jurisdiction under which you'll be registered and what manner of protection comes with that. Most importantly, grow your trading knowledge before you increase the amount of money you want to put at risk in the markets. Because even the tightest spreads, the best platforms, and the strongest regulation cannot protect a trader who risks too much, who trades without a plan, and who relies on luck. So take advantage of the educational resources available to you, practice trading on demo accounts, and start small. Plus, you need to start treating trading as a skill because it is one. Now, the more informed you are, the more confident and responsible your trading decisions will be. It is obvious that this review was helpful to you. So, like this video and subscribe to this channel for more unbiased Forex brokers breakdown. And also, if you have any question or any comments to make about HFM, leave it in the comment section. We will do well to respond to you. You can also visit our website at safeforexbrokers.com for more unbiased Forex brokers review. Until I come your way again, happy trading.